Think your close grip bench press is building massive triceps? What if I told you most people doing this lift are actually killing their wrists, straining their shoulders, and leaving 40% of their tricep gains on the table without even knowing it? If your elbows flare, if your wrists bend, or if your grip is too close, you're not training triceps, you're training pain. Let's start with the hard truth. Close grip bench press is one of the easiest exercises to mess up. Here are the biggest mistakes. Mistake number 1. Grip too close. People think close grip means pinky and index touching. Wrong. That crushes your wrists, forces your elbows inward like a chicken wing, and removes power from the triceps. Mistake number 2. Elbows flaring out. When your elbows flare, your shoulders take over. You're supposed to be working triceps, not risking a rotator cuff explosion. Mistake number 3. Bar path straight down. Lowering the bar to your upper chest forces your shoulder joint into an awkward angle. It's one of the biggest reasons people feel discomfort. Mistake number 4. Hyper-arched wrists. Bent wrists equal lost power plus unnecessary stress. You're basically benching with your joints instead of your muscles. If even one of these looks familiar, stay with me, because once I show you the proper setup, this exercise will feel completely different. Now, here's the cool part. You actually don't need a super narrow grip for massive triceps. In fact, the real magic happens when your hands line up with, well, let's just say something on your body. I'll show you in a second. Most people think close grip is all about the hands, but the real secret, it starts much lower on the body. Your foundation. Okay, let's build this from the ground up. Step 1. Plant your feet. Think of your feet as the foundation of a skyscraper. No stable foundation equals shaky building. Plant feet flat, drive them into the ground, and create tension through the legs. Step 2. Set your back. Retract your shoulder blades. Imagine squeezing a pencil between them. This protects your shoulders and gives you a solid back to press from. Step 3, now the grip. Here's the big reveal. Your hands should be just inside shoulder width. Not touching, not super narrow, just inside. Perfect alignment equals elbows tracking naturally equals maximum tricep involvement. Step 4, keep wrists straight. Stack the wrist over the forearm like a pillar. Don't break the wrist backward. This gives you power and protects the joints. Step 5. Elbow angle. Lower the bar with elbows tucked about 30 to 45 degrees from the body. Not flared, not pinned, just natural. Bar path. Lower the bar to your lower chest or sternum, not upper chest. This puts the triceps in their strongest pushing position. Wrong. Grip too close. Elbows flared. Wrists bent. Bar lowered too high. Shoulders taking over. Right. Grip slightly inside shoulder width. Natural elbow tuck, straight wrists, bar touching lower chest, triceps doing the work. Feel the difference? One feels like joint pain. The other feels like power. Break the bar. Pretend you're trying to bend the bar in half. This engages your triceps instantly. Row the bar down. Lower the bar like you're performing a row. It activates back stability and keeps elbows tight. Press slightly back, not straight up. Strong lifters press back toward the rack. Safer, stronger, smoother. Pause reps. Pausing eliminates momentum. Your triceps will feel it instantly. All right, quick recap of the perfect close grip bench press. Feet planted, shoulder blades locked, grip slightly inside shoulders, wrists straight, elbows tucked, bar to lower chest, press up and slightly back. Control every rep. Here's your challenge. Load a light weight and perform 10 perfect close grip bench presses. Feel how different your triceps feel when everything is aligned correctly. Master this technique and your triceps will explode in size and strength. No elbow pain, no shoulder strain, just pure power. Keep practicing, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next workout.